Make these simple and quick pipe cleaner flowers using a drinking straw technique. I'll show you how in just a few simple steps. For each stem with 3 flowers, you will need 3 pink pipe cleaners, 2 green pipe cleaners, a yellow pipe cleaner, a drinking straw, fingernail clippers, and scissors. Start by cutting a section of the plastic drinking straw about 3 inches long. Thread the piece of drinking straw onto a green pipe cleaner. Take a pink pipe cleaner and hold the end against the straw and wrap it around in a spiral, one coil right next to the other, just like you're making a spring. Wrap the whole pipe cleaner until you get to the end. Keep the pink spiraled pipe cleaner on the green pipe cleaner and carefully remove the straw. Now make a circle with the green pipe cleaner. So the pink pipe cleaner is going to be up at the end, leaving just about a 1/2 inch tail. And make a circle with the green pipe cleaner and use the little tail to connect the pipe cleaner to itself, forming a circle like so. Now bring the long end of the pipe cleaner across the back and straight down from the center of the flower. Arrange the spiral pink petals into a circle and then grab each spiral and twist it out so that it lays slightly flatter. You're basically just turning the petals out so that the finished product looks like this. Now take the end of your yellow pipe cleaner and make a few coils at one end to make the center of a flower with the long end facing straight down, and then clip it off with just a little 1/4 inch tail. Stick the little tail down in the center of the flower, and then flip it over and bend the tail down tightly to keep the center in place. Now use the fingernail clippers to clip the green pipe cleaner about 4–4.5 inches down. Set the first flower aside, and now we'll make a second flower the same way. Thread the straw onto the green pipe cleaner, make another spiral with another pink pipe cleaner, and just do the process all over again. Now take the flower with the smaller stem and wrap it around the larger stem, just a few inches down. Make a third flower using the second green pipe cleaner and the third pink pipe cleaner. When you're finished with the third flower, connect it to your other bundle of 2 flowers just below the second flower. Twist it around the stem and then make a leaf shape, a long oval. Twist it 1 or 2 times to keep it in place, and then continue twisting the 2 long stems together. Now you've completed 1 stem. You can use it as is or add another stem of 3 and twist those ends together to make a fuller stem. Please subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner crafts and other ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.